Okay, on to D part one. I know we did it in class today, but no harm going back through it again because I've really thrown you in the deep end with these after missing the couple of days. So I'll go back over this with you as well, just so that you understand where each element was coming from. So D then is asking us for the concentration of ethanoic acid in the original vinegar. And part one is in moles per litre. Again, we need to go back and find out what is known here. Okay, so what is known? What we know here is we know that there is 8 by 10 to the minus 5 moles per 1 centimetre cubed of the dilute vinegar. The ethanoic acid in the dilute vinegar. Okay. Where do we know that from? We know that from part C. Okay. What else do we know here? We know that we need to get to moles per litre. How many centimetres cubed are in a litre? We know a litre equals 1000 centimetres cubed. Okay. So simply, all we have to do to this is we need to multiply this side to get to 1000 centimetres cubed. What we do to this side, we must do to the other side. Okay, so we need to get 1000 centimetres cubed here, and we must do the same to this side. So that will be 0.08 moles per 1000 centimetres cubed. Fabulous. I have molarity. Okay, so I know my molarity here is 0.08 moles per litre, or molarity. Excellent. Now, this is where everybody loses marks, because I need to make sure that I have noted here, this is of the dilute vinegar. Go back to my question. I've already underlined it a zillion times here. We are looking for the original vinegar. So the concentration of ethanoic acid in the original vinegar. This is where I'm going to come on to my dilution factor that I got you to do at the very, very beginning. Okay, and if you do this at the very beginning every time, if it hasn't been explicitly said, you'll get to the end of the question and go, why haven't I used that yet? Okay, so it'd kind of be a little reminder here for you, and it's a good one to have, because I can guarantee if a question comes up on this, you're going to have to incorporate this somewhere. Okay, so we know our dilution factor was 10. So when I come back to this, I know that I'm going to have to multiply my concentration, so my moles, by 10 to get my moles per litre of my of my concentrated vinegar. So I need to multiply this by 10. Okay, and it's the concentration you want to multiply here. So that will give me 0.8 moles per litre, or 1000 centimetres cubed, whatever way you prefer to write it, or you could say 0.8 capital M, which also indicates molarity of the concentrated vinegar. Okay.